Hey guys, this is the Psycho Surgeon here to review the third and final film in the Matrix trilogy, The Matrix Revolution.
Like scary movies.
Uh-huh.
Connected via the gastric system.
This is basically about Zion. They have to defend themselves against the invasion of machines while Neo fights to enter the war at another front. They're also opposing the rogue Agent Smith. Yeah, that's basically what the film is about. This was directed by the Wachowski brothers, just like the previous two films. I really enjoyed this film. I actually enjoyed it a little more than The Matrix Reloaded. The Matrix Reloaded is a good sequel, but, that one scene almost ruined it for me, with the fake CGI kind of cartoonish. Yeah. But this film, this actually felt realistic. Just like the first film. So basically Zion is just preparing for the war against the machines in this film, and Neo is just trying to, save Zion. He's trying to, he's flying the ship to the Machine City to go into the Matrix one last time and to just save Zion in this war once and for all. Yeah. And we've got Keanu Reeves back as Neo. I love him in these films. I mean, Keanu Reeves is he was perfect for the role of Neo. He's just he was a great choice. I'm glad they picked him. And we have Carrie-Anne Moss as Trinity, Lawrence Fishburne as Morpheus. Trinity, she finally, we see the end of Trinity in this film. I'm not exactly gonna say what happens, but, she somehow dies. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna spoil it for you people out there that haven't seen this film and haven't seen the previous two films. By the way, you definitely should check these films out if you haven't seen them, because it's a great trilogy. I highly recommend this film and the previous two films. Guess that's pretty much all I gotta say on The Matrix Revolutions. Not really much more I can say.